Hi guys, this is Kelly and today I'm going to show you guys this new cushion foundation by MAC. As you guys can see, I have my bare face on, so today I'm going to try out this cushion foundation with you guys and tell you guys my first impression of it. This is the Studio Fix Complete Coverage Cushion Compact SPF 50/PA+++ and mine is in the shade NC20. I love the new packaging of this MAC Studio Fix cushion. Also, I got invited to their launch event, so I'll insert a clips here or here so you guys can go look it up. It's also on my Instagram, so if you guys have not followed me on Instagram, please go follow and you'll see a lot of makeup related stuff in my daily life as well. So this is the packaging of the new MAC Studio cushion. It has this reflective packaging in front. And other than that, they also gifted me this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in lavender. I've not tried the scented one yet. This is in this purple packaging and it looks so cute. Let me try it on my face because I might as well prime my face first. Oh my god, it smells so good. I actually do love this than the original one. I usually use the MAC Fix Plus because I love a dewy finish, and sometimes when I don't have my primer on, I'll use this water to prime my face, and I feel that it actually gives me a very light and refreshing canvas on my face before I put on my makeup. Okay, so at the launch event, we could actually personalize our own lipstick, and this is the Powder Kiss MAC lipstick. Mine is in the shade Mull It Over. And it also has my Instagram handle here. It looks so cute. Let me show it to you guys. I've been loving the Powder Kiss formula. If you guys ever watch my MAC Cosmetics full face video, I'm sure you guys have seen nice everyday color, and I thought this one would be great for my office makeup look. The coverage and the color of this. It's my exact shade and it's really high coverage, and it's also very lightweight. One thing I like about cushion foundation is that it can easily just cover up all my flaws in a second, and especially my dark eye circles. Sometimes I do need a little bit more coverage, and with the cushion foundation I can easily cover it up, so it's amazing. I do have my top 5 cushion foundation here, so you guys can go see it if you guys are interested. So right now I'm just going to try it out. I do have some redness, dark eye circles, and some flaws on my forehead, so I'll go ahead and just apply on this half of my face first to show you guys the difference and how, you know, effective it is. It gives us a very dewy finish. As you can see, it's like I'm glistening, I'm glowing. Okay, so this is the application of just the half of my face, and you can see the difference in coverage, in the luminosity it's giving out. And I think if you would like more of like a glowy base, I think you will love this. However, I'm not a huge fan of glowy foundation. This is like overly glowy. It's hydrating, yes, and it's very lightweight. However, I do have slightly oily skin, so if I use this under the hot sun in Singapore, I might turn out to be a grease ball at the end of the day. However, if you want to mattify it, you can go ahead and go over with the loose powder. Other than that, if you want to just wear it like that, you can do it if you have dry skin or you just love dewy base. But that's what I think of it for now. You can see it has this really nice glow over here, and you can see the difference. Just my dark eye circles, it's very, you know, dark and pigmented, and within just one application it has fully covered up my dark eye circles, and I'm very impressed. So right now I'm just gonna go in with the application on this side of my face. For most of the cushion foundation that I've used, most of them are quite low in coverage, because you know the Koreans, they actually like something with less coverage, more like a second skin. However, with this matte cushion foundation, you can actually get a full coverage as well as the dewiness of a cushion foundation, which is actually pretty awesome. And recently there are so many cool foundation that is, you know, in the market right now. If you haven't seen my Fenty Beauty Hydrating foundation, I'll link it up here as well. You guys can go ahead and watch it. I feel that if, you know, you are a person that loves to touch up your makeup, or you just want to have a more, you know, complete flawless look and you want to bring this along with you, I think this is very handy. It's just smaller than my palm, and then you can put it in your office bag, any purse. I feel that this one is very convenient, and especially like what I said, it actually covers up my dark circles very well, as well as my redness. So I'm hoping that the coverage will last for the whole day, and for the luminosity, I think it's really good if you're going for that Korean glass skin. And this is by far like one of the most full coverage cushion foundation I've ever used. I really like this, even though it is overly glowy. But I guess it's a trend right now, so you know, if you don't mind trying this out, go give it a try at MAC, and most probably you just do your shade matching first before you buy this online. I think, you know, you can have a better gauge if you're in the physical store. Okay, now I look a little bit too fair. Am I washed out? It looks like I'm washed out, but loving this glowy skin. As for now, the foundation, it's really nice, and then we'll go in with some loose powder since I just really wanted to have a more matte look under my eyes. And then for my high points of my cheeks, I am not gonna powder my face because I just want it to have this natural glow. So I'm using the Makeup Forever loose powder that I really like. I actually told you guys about it already. I'm just gonna set it under my eye. Okay, and so for my blusher today, I want to use the Canmake Cream Chick in this new color, and it has the Cosmetic sticker on top as well. My friend actually went back to Japan, so she got me this, and I'm so excited because this one, it's a really trendy color right now. This one is in the color CL01. It's a bright red color. It's very like a cherry color. Oh, it's very sheer as well. That's a nice subtle color that you can build it up. So I'm just gonna pop it on my cheeks right now. Honestly, on my Instagram, I actually talked about the brow pencils from Excel, and they are really good. And the brow gel, it's amazing. This is the Excel brow pencil, and this is the 3-way brow pencil. It has a spoolie, a brow pencil, as well as a little powder from here, powder to kind of spread out the color. This is the exact grey ashy tone that I'm looking for in my eyebrow pencil. And what's great about this is that you can find it easily at Watsons. So Excel, it's already at Watsons, I think at Neon City and a lot of other branches. I actually do want to mention more local brands or items that we can find in Singapore. If not, it's quite futile if I, you know, introduce it to you guys and we can't find it in Singapore. Sometimes it's good to introduce you guys to new brands. However, I feel that if I have products that is accessible in Singapore, I guess it will be more applicable to you guys. So we're going with the brow gel. This one is by Excel in the shade BM04. I want to put on some lip B first because now I look very washed out, and I'm gonna use the one that I introduced just now. This one is the MAC Molded Over in Powder Kiss lipstick. I love the texture of this because it's like a velvety finish. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this palette from Lacey's, and this is by the brand LA Splash in Golden Gatsby. Nice palette. I love such burnt terracotta brown color, as well as dark brown to deepen up your crease And then it has really nice shimmer colors here as well. It's very sparkling. Show you guys. Look at this pink champagne shade. It's so sparkly. So pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on my eye right now. Right, and then next up I want to show you guys this local brand, and they are really amazing. These are the eyeliner stems. They I actually mentioned it on my IGTV as well as my PR unboxing last week or last month. And then this is by the brand Peach Peach Peach, and you can find them easily on Instagram as well. They have really nice like eyeliner stems and in different variation, as well as their extra fine duo eyeliner. So these are the ones that I've been using religiously every single day if I'm wearing eyeliner. If not, sometimes even at night when I'm going for drinks, I will use the thicker ones. They have variation from subtle, glam, as well as skinny eyeliner stems. And what I like about it is that you can also go over it with extra fine eyeliner or just use this on its own. You don't have to use the stem. So right now I'm just gonna use Glam. This Glam is this pink one. Then it's in the packaging. It's so cute. Look at this pastel pink color. Okay, I'm just gonna use it with you guys. So they actually labeled right and left. There you go. Your wing liner, it's done within 2 seconds. And for such perfect wing, I usually don't go over with the eyeliner already. Only when I have a little bit more difficulty winging it or completing the look, I will just go over it with this really skinny eyeliner. And this one, it's great just wearing it by itself. Look at how skinny and fine this pen is. So go follow them on Instagram. They are really, really cute, and the owner, it's really sweet. Look at my wing. Sharp and nice. Perfect! Mwah! Okay, so this is not new. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shape Shifter. I'm just gonna use this to lightly contour my face. To be honest, my everyday to-go makeup look just looks like that. It's very simple and it's fast free as well. And then I can just quickly just apply all this makeup really fast with my hands, and then as well as the cushion, it's so convenient. I'll go in with one more spritz of the Fix Plus in lavender. Done! Look at my skin right now. My skin looks amazing with the cushion. I did not even put on highlighter, but look at the shine, the glow. Love it. Okay, so I guess I come to an end of this video. If you guys like any of the products, please leave a comment down below and tell me you know, if you tried it or you like it or not. And then if you have any video suggestions, just please comment it down below in the comment bar, and I will get back to you guys ASAP. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.